Spam registrations can quickly turn into a serious issue on any WordPress site. At first, it might seem harmless, a few fake accounts here and there. But over time, these bots can flood your forms with junk data, slow down your website, and even create security holes. And the tricky part is, most of the time you're not even noticing them right away. Hey there, I'm Carmen, and today you'll learn how to secure your WordPress user forms by adding reCAPTCHA using Profile Builder. By the end of this video, you'll be able to prevent spam registrations, secure your login forms, and add an extra layer of security without affecting user experience. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly understand why this step is so important. Whenever you have a registration form on your website, you are essentially opening a door for anyone on the internet to create an account. That includes real users, bots trying to exploit your forms, and even scripts that automatically create fake accounts. Without protection, this can lead to dozens or even hundreds of fake user accounts, spam emails in your inbox, fake contacts in your email marketing platform, poor quality user data, and in some cases, even security risks. The good news is you don't need anything complicated to fix this. By adding reCAPTCHA, you can filter out most bots while keeping the user experience smooth for real users. When you install Profile Builder, the plugin automatically creates all the essential user-related pages and forms for you. Profile Builder is designed to help you manage everything related to users on your WordPress site, from registration and login to editing profiles and controlling user data. Let's start by checking out the basic registration form that the plugin has already created. Now the form includes basic fields like username, email, and password. These are great to start, but you could also add extra fields like avatar, job titles, company, phone number, or any other information you might need to collect from them. All you have to do is go to Profile Builder, Form Fields. The free version of the plugin comes with a limited number of custom fields, while the Pro plan unlocks all available fields. The reCAPTCHA field is included in the free version of Profile Builder, so you can just install that to follow along. But first, we need to generate our reCAPTCHA keys. Go to the Google reCAPTCHA website and open the admin console. Here's what you'll do. First, enter your website name in the label box. After that, you need to choose the reCAPTCHA type. You'll see two main options, reCAPTCHA v3, which works in the background with a score system, and reCAPTCHA v2, which shows the I'm not a robot checkbox. So what's the difference between the two? With v2, users are required to interact with the form by checking a box, or sometimes even solving a challenge, like selecting images. This makes it very clear that the form is protected, but it does add an extra step in the registration process. On the other hand, v3 works completely in the background. It analyzes user behavior and assigns a score based on how likely it is that the visitor is a real person or a bot. So instead of interrupting the user, it silently filters out suspicious activity. For the best user experience on your login page, I recommend using v3. That's because it's more seamless, users don't have to do anything. It keeps your forms clean and distraction-free, and it offers a more advanced way of detecting bots. Next, enter your website domain here. Make sure it matches your WordPress site exactly. Give the project a name, so you can easily identify it. Finally, accept the terms of service and click Submit. Once you do that, Google will generate the site key and the secret key. These are essential, so make sure to save them. Now let's connect everything inside WordPress. In your website dashboard, go to Profile Builder, Form Fields. Then add a reCAPTCHA field to the form. Once you add it, you should see its settings, which is where you can configure your reCAPTCHA behavior. First, use the reCAPTCHA type drop-down to choose the version you want to add to your site. This should match the selection that you chose when you created your reCAPTCHA API key in the previous step. Next, paste in the site key and the secret key that you got previously, and finally choose which forms you want to use reCAPTCHA on. You'll get separate options for your custom Profile Builder forms and the default WordPress forms. You'll see that this particular field is marked as required by default, so you can't edit that. Once everything is set up, click the Add Field button. And that's it! Your forms are now silently protected by reCAPTCHA. all while your users aren't bothered by checkboxes or challenges, as it all runs in the background. If a bot tries to submit the form now, they won't be able to go through. And just like that, you've added a powerful layer of protection to your WordPress site. No code, no complex setup, just a few steps using Profile Builder. Now that your forms are secure, the next step is building a great user experience. What happens after logging, and how can users edit their profiles? I've got tutorials covering both of these on the channel, so make sure to check them out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe for even more WordPress tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.